Tired of looking for ways to burn fat, but feel like you're stuck with no gym and no time? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to find effective ways to shed those extra pounds without having to go to a gym. But what if I told you that you can burn fat with simple home workouts that require no equipment at all? These aren't just random exercises. They're strategically chosen movements designed to maximize calorie burn and muscle engagement. By targeting multiple muscle groups at once, you can get a full body workout in the comfort of your own home. This approach not only saves time, but also makes it easier to stick to your fitness routine. The best part is that anyone can do these workouts, regardless of their fitness level. They're perfect for beginners who are just starting out, as well as for those who are looking for a low-impact way to stay active. To get started, all you need is a small space, comfortable clothing, and a positive attitude. It's also essential to have water nearby to stay hydrated throughout your workout. You would be surprised at how much of a difference these simple factors can make in your overall performance. Remember, the goal is to make this a sustainable part of your lifestyle, not just a quick fix. So take a deep breath, get ready to sweat, and let's dive into these 5 simple home workouts that will help you burn fat without needing a gym. Number 1 is the burpees. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then drop down into a squat position and place your hands on the ground. From there, kick your feet back into a plank position, do a push-up, then quickly return your feet to the squat position. Stand up and jump up in the air, landing softly on the balls of your feet. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 2 is the mountain climbers. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Bring one knee up towards your chest, then quickly switch to the other knee. Continue alternating legs as quickly as possible, mimicking the motion of running. Do 3 sets of 30 seconds. Number 3 is the squat jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, then lower your body down into a squat position. From there, explosively jump up into the air, landing softly on the balls of your feet. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Number 4 is the plank hold with leg lift. Start in a push-ups position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Lift one leg up off the ground, holding it for a few seconds before lowering it back down. Alternate legs with each rep. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Number 5 is the jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and your hands by your sides. Jump your feet out to the sides while raising your arms above your head, then quickly return to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 30 seconds. When performing these exercises, make sure to focus on proper form and technique. For burpees, keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. For mountain climbers, avoid arching your back or letting your hips sag. For squat jumps, keep your knees behind your toes and land softly on the balls of your feet. For plank hold with leg lift, engage your core and keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. For jumping jacks, keep your movements quick and controlled. To maximize fat loss, it's essential to have a proper warm-up and cool-down routine. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes to stretch before and after your workout. Listening to your body is also crucial. If you're feeling tired or sore, take an extra day off or modify the exercises to suit your needs. Consistency is key, so aim to do these workouts 3 to 4 times a week for best results. These 5 simple home workouts are designed to help you burn fat without needing a gym. They're easy to follow, require no equipment, and can be done in just a few minutes a day. By incorporating these workouts into your routine, you can say goodbye to excuses and hello to a healthier, leaner you. Give them a try and share your progress with me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe for more fitness tips and calisthenics workout routines.